Recently, these AI game screen live photos have been blowing up all over social media. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral AI video game screen step by step. So, let's dive in. Before we start, make sure you've installed HitPaw FotorPea. You'll find the official download link in the description below. Step 1. Prepare your photos. For this method, you only need a single selfie. As long as your face is clear, well-lit, and high quality, you're good to go. Step 2. Prepare the image and video prompts. This is the most important step. First, open ChatGPT, go to the GPT section, and search for the AI video game screen created by HitPaw. Inside the GPT, you'll find multiple game styles and screen types to choose from. Choose your game style and screen style, then upload your image. The GPT will instantly generate an image prompt and a video prompt. These are the exact prompts we'll use for the next steps. Step 3. Generate the image. Next, open HitPaw FotorPea. On the left side menu, click AI Generator, Image to Image. Now choose your AI model. I personally recommend Nano Banana 2 or GPT Image 2 High Quality. Copy the image prompt from the ChatGPT and paste in the HitPaw FotorPea. Upload your photo and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll get an ultra-cinematic AI game screen image featuring yourself as the main character. Now let's animate it. Open HitPaw VikPea and select AI Video Generator. There are multiple AI video models available, but for this effect, we only need a short 5-second clip, so honestly, most models work great. Paste the second prompt. Upload the image we just generated and make sure to set the duration to 5 seconds. Then click Generate. And just like that, you'll get a cinematic AI video game screen animation that looks straight out of a AAA game trailer. And that's how you can create your own viral AI game screen video in just a few minutes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what kind of AI videos you want to see next. Also, check out the links in the description to try these tools yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.